a loan of 50 lakhs from any bank and company has written on stamp paper, it has given that if we will not repay your loan, bank can come and sell our machinery. Either of the machinery of 1 crore had been given as mortgage, then the charge is created on asset. And if it is created, it should be specifically mentioned in the asset register. Clear? So what are the objectives of verification of assets? As an auditor, what is your role? Number one, ensuring the existence as per balance sheet. You have to take a balance sheet, asset side. Okay? Now if you will see assets, what do you mean by assets? What is the meaning of assets? I will write some points here. These are fixed assets. These are fixed assets. Goodwill, land, building, livestock, railway sidings, plant and machinery, furniture, fixture and fittings, then dead stock, then patents, loose tools, vehicles, know-how, technical know-how, road licenses, copyrights and trademarks. This is the definition of assets. Is that clear? So, depreciation you have to check, at least in valuation. Clear? There are some intangible assets like patents, copyrights, trademarks. 25% depreciation is given on intangible assets. And for other fixed assets like land, building, plant, machinery, vehicles, furniture, block of asset is there. So different rates of depreciation are given for the block. As I told you yesterday, if building is there, so commercial complex, residential complex, multiplex, hotels, restaurants, lodging, wooden structure buildings, different rates of depreciation have been provided in section 32 of Income Tax Act 1961. So as an auditor, you must possess the knowledge of proper rates of depreciation and process of verification. Ensuring the values shown for assets after deducting depreciation outer column, whether value is correct or not, whether it is fair market value or book value shown by the company. It should be fair market value. Verification of charges on assets. If asset is mortgaged, which bank, which financer has an agreement with the company for mortgage of that asset, whether it has been recorded into asset register or not. Clear? Then ensuring that assets shown belong to the business or auditee. Auditee means what? The company in which audit is going on. That company, that business is called as an auditee. Auditor means who audits. Auditee means whose audit is going on. Clear? Verifying the actual use of asset. If vehicles of the company are there and vehicles are deputed at the residential house of directors, not allowed. Is that clear? What is actual use of assets done? That should be physically verified. That is called as physical verification. Very important aspect. Auditor has to visit that asset. Plant है, machinery, कार रखा है, चलो मुझे देखना है. Asset is there, vehicles है, कहाँ parking है, देखो, like this. So this is very physical verification process, and second is documentary verification process. Then verification of documentary evidence, purchase of assets, bills, depreciation register, asset register, everything he has to check. Objectives of verification of liabilities. First is ensuring debts mentioned in the balance sheet. Debts means loans by any sources, long-term sources, short-term, equity, the money raised by the company. Clear? So proper documentation should be checked whether it is correctly shown in balance sheet or not. Second, ensuring genuineness of the debts. Genuineness is what? Actual debts are raised and funds have been utilized for the benefits of the company and not for personal benefits of the directors. It will be the genuineness of debts. Why these debts are created? Why loans are taken? Verification of this thing. Ensuring fair market value of the assets in final balance sheet. That is the job of auditor. Verification of documentary evidences, I told, purchase bills, asset registers, clear? Then entries in the balance sheet, postings in the balance sheet, actual values shown in the balance sheet. So these are the objectives for verification of liability. Next lecture we will go to valuation of assets. Okay, that is also an important part. But for today I will stop here. If any questions are there, you can ask. Any doubts, any questions? That's all.